Our pharmaceutical production plant in Samara has been working on the pharmaceutical market for more than 20 years. We use various pharmaceutical equipment that meets the requirements and standards of GMP to produce our products. Last year our enterprise started producing vitamins in tablets. Even before designing the vitamin production site, we made a list of necessary pharmaceutical equipment. The list contained both main machines and auxiliary equipment. We planned to make the production area of tablets fully automated and as technologically advanced as possible. It had to be the equipment that would provide the full cycle of vitamin production, from raw material supply to the finished product. It was planned to purchase a reactor for cooking solutions, tablet press, blistering machine, equipment for packing blisters into cardboard boxes, and other equipment that would ensure the production of tablets. All equipment must be high-tech, corresponding to the requirements and GMP standard. At the meeting on development of production, I, as a chief engineer, was instructed to find and purchase basic equipment. I started the task by finding a reactor for the preparation of solutions, which is designed for the preparation of medical solutions, dissolution of powder, mixing solution and its storage. The unit must be multifunctional, capable of preparing solutions for injections in ampoules and vials, solution for intravenous infusion in vials, syrups or liquid suspension for oral administration, biopreparations, disinfectant solutions, cleaning products. The chief technologist of our plant recommended to contact the manufacturers of the equipment first. They provide warranty service, drawings, instructions for use, carry out installation, and mounting of produced equipment. I followed his advice. I chose one company on the internet that produces pharmaceutical equipment in Germany. I visited their website and wrote an email, in which I indicated the equipment I wanted to purchase and asked them to select a specific machine for me. A week later I received the answer that they no longer made such machines, but they could develop and produce them, if requested, by the end of next year. This is too long for us, so I decided to look for equipment for preparing solutions from other pharmaceutical equipment manufacturers. I found a company on the internet from China, which produces reactors for preparing solutions. I called them and asked whether they could deliver similar equipment in 2 months. They answered that they had such a machine. The manager asked for my phone number and said she would call me back in the evening, when she checked with her company engineer about the capabilities of the reactor. However, she did not call in the evening. I contacted them the next day. The manager said she had forwarded the request to the design department, and she would contact me when she got an answer. This seems strange to me. When do I wait for an answer? How long to wait for an answer? Absolutely no business approach to the customer. I refused to look for the reactor on my own. And then I remembered that at the Forum of Producers of Equipment for the Pharmaceutical Industry in Moscow, I met a specialist who was engaged in the selection and supply of equipment for the production of medicines. I found his business card, and before contacting him I decided to check whether he really engaged in the supply of machines for the pharmaceutical industry. In order to do this I found his company's website and carefully studied the information on it. I liked that the website was up to date, with video clips of the equipment and many contacts for communication. I also noticed that the website had been around since 2003. The company has been on the pharmaceutical equipment supply market for a long time, and this is a good reason to say that it is successful. I called the manager. He said he remembered me, and was happy to hear from me again. I told him that I was looking for a state-of-the-art multi-purpose solution preparation machine. He suggested the option of a machine that was popular with customers and proven in production. I agreed to consider it. The manager emailed me the passport, instructions for use of the equipment, and a video demonstration of the machine. The multi-stage reactor is equipped with agitators for mixing solutions, equipped with a casing for heating and cooling. The speed of the agitator was controlled by a frequency converter. The unit was equipped with liquid level sensors, pressure gauge, thermometer, digital or mechanical, sight glass, safety valve, air filter, ball nozzle, SIP sterilization port, liquid inlet and outlet ports, unloading valve, access door for maintenance. I liked the proposed version of the reactor and agreed it with the management. A week later we signed a contract for supply of a solution reactor, and a month after signing the contract the manager called me and told that the machine was ready and would be delivered in a week. When the machine arrived at the facility, we were able to evaluate its quality. The machine was made of quality stainless steel material, a modern machine with convenient automatic controls. We were pleased with the reactor. I probably would not have gotten such an excellent result in such a short time if I had gone the route of selecting the machine myself. Experience has shown that the decision to ask for professional help was the right one. I plan to use the services of a specialist from this firm in the future in the selection of basic equipment for our vitamin production area. People think that everything is easy for professionals in their business, but I am sure that such professionals work to keep us so.